You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 79, creating a model. Let's move ahead. And to complete this lab or to perform this lab, we need to log in using our primary account. I am already logged in using my primary account, and now let's click on Assets, and then we'll click on Asset Management. Next to schema tree, we have plus sign. Click on this plus icon. We are creating a new object type. We'll name it as network model. An icon we are going to give over here is module. Okay. Parent, we are going to select models. Description, it's about object type of defining models of network device. Click on create. Now under asset management, we have model. This is a schema tree, right? Models, we have network model. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.